Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can unfollow on Twitch. So that's a very simple thing to do. Just open up the channel page of the person that you would like to unfollow. Then at whether it is a mobile app or a desktop version of the website, doesn't really matter. It will be the same for all of them. So at the streamer's channel page, you'll have this heart over here, which means that you're a follower of him or her or them, whatever. Just tap on this heart. You'll get the dialog window. Just after that, confirm that you would like to unfollow this person. And as you can see, that will be it. Now we can follow it again, which obviously means that we are not following this person at the time. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.